Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the endless number of supplements on the market, promising better skin, more energy, and overall health? What if I told you that some of the most powerful solutions are already sitting in your kitchen? That's right. Today, we're going to dive into 3 simple, delicious drinks that pack a punch when it comes to boosting your health. One is a collagen booster for glowing skin, another a natural multivitamin, and the last one? A protein drink that'll keep you full and energized without breaking the bank. So, why spend thousands on fancy supplements when these tasty drinks can do the job? Stay with me till the end of this video because I'll be sharing some crucial information about the potential dangers of taking supplements. We'll dive into the side effects that could seriously impact your health, something you don't want to miss. So, keep watching to learn how these supplements might be doing more harm than good. Let's get started. 1. A collagen boosting juice. What is collagen? Did you know collagen is the secret to youthful skin? Collagen is a protein that keeps our skin soft, firm, and elastic. But as we age, our body produces less of it, leading to saggy skin and wrinkles. Interestingly, there are habits we often overlook that damage our collagen even faster. Things like smoking, drinking alcohol, skipping sunscreen, and eating too much sugar can break down collagen quickly. The problem with market collagen supplements. While most people run to buy collagen supplements, did you know many of them are made from fish peptides? That means vegetarians and vegans can't even use them. And that's not all. These supplements are filled with artificial sweeteners, colors, and preservatives. Do you think such artificial products can truly give you glowing skin? Natural collagen booster drink recipe. Now, let me share a natural drink that boosts collagen production in your body, using just 3 ingredients. 1. Amla, the richest source of vitamin C. In fact, 1 amla has more vitamin C than 20 oranges. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. 2. Beetroot, this powerhouse is anti-inflammatory and increases blood flow to the skin, reducing inflammation that causes rough skin. 3. Carrot, packed with carotenoids and lycopene, carrots are known for their anti-aging effects and ability to enhance skin health. How to make the juice. Take 1 to 2 carrots, half a beetroot, and 1 amla. Add water and blend it all together. To sweeten it naturally, add a little jaggery. This drink is not only refreshing but also great for boosting hemoglobin and improving your eyesight. Within just 15 days of drinking this, you'll notice your skin glowing. How many of you knew that amla is packed with more vitamin C than oranges? Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried it. 2. Multivitamin drink. Why multivitamins are overrated. Do you ever wonder why so many people rely on multivitamin tablets? The truth is, the supplement industry convinces us that our bodies can't function without them. But, studies show that most of these pills are filled with fake ingredients, and about 80% of them get flushed out of your body. Even worse, taking multivitamins daily has been linked to a shorter lifespan. Scary, right? Natural multivitamin drink recipe. Skip the pills and try this all-natural multivitamin drink instead. For this, you'll need 4 almonds, 6 cashews, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin seeds, 2 de-seeded dates, 1 banana. Soak the almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds in water overnight. Soak the dates in a separate bowl, you'll use the date water later. In the morning, remove the almond skins, blend everything with the dates and banana, and voila, your nutrient-packed smoothie is ready. This drink is loaded with magnesium, potassium, biotin, and other essential nutrients that your body needs daily. When to drink it. You can have this multivitamin smoothie in the morning, as a breakfast replacement, or as a midday snack. It's filling, nutritious, and tastes amazing. Did you know that most store-bought multivitamins are synthetic and your body may not even absorb them properly? This drink is a natural way to ensure you get real, absorbable nutrients. 3. Protein drink. The protein myth. We've all heard the hype about protein powders. But did you know that most people don't actually need them? For most of us, a diet filled with natural protein sources like paneer, beans, and curd is more than enough. Consuming too much protein can even be harmful, leading to kidney problems in the long run. Chana Sattu, the real protein drink. Instead of reaching for that expensive protein powder, try this traditional, wholesome alternative, Chana Sattu. Made from roasted black chickpeas, this protein drink is packed with fiber, iron, calcium, and more. The best part? It's super affordable and has been used for generations. How to make Chana Sattu drink. For the sweet version, mix 50 grams of Chana Sattu with water and jaggery. For the savory version, mix it with water, rock salt, roasted cumin, and a dash of lemon. You get 10 grams of protein per drink, plus slow-digesting complex carbs that keep you full for longer. Did you know that 1 scoop of whey protein can cost around 100 rupees, while with the same amount of money, you can buy an entire kilogram of Chana Sattu? For serious muscle building. If you're serious about muscle building, add 50 grams of Chinar Sattu, a glass of milk, and 2 dates post-workout. This shake will give you a solid 20 grams of protein, naturally. Supplements are often seen as a quick and convenient way to boost your health, providing essential nutrients that may be missing from your diet. While many supplements can be beneficial in specific cases, regularly taking them without medical advice can cause more harm than good. Here's a closer look at some potential side effects of taking external supplements. 1. Nutrient overload. Excessive vitamins and minerals, like vitamin A, D, and iron, can lead to nausea, liver, kidney issues, and organ damage. 2. Organ stress. High doses of supplements, especially protein, can strain the kidneys and liver, causing long-term damage. 3. Medication interference. Some supplements, like vitamin K, St. John's wort, and calcium, can reduce the effectiveness of certain medications, leading to health complications. 4. Contamination risk. Supplements may be tainted with heavy metals or unapproved drugs, which can harm your organs and overall health. 5. Digestive problems. Supplements, especially high doses of vitamins and minerals, may cause nausea, stomach cramps, bloating, or diarrhea. 6. False health perception. Relying on supplements can lead to neglecting a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, reducing their overall effectiveness. 7. Unnecessary use. Many people don't need supplements if they follow a balanced diet, as whole foods provide more effective nutrient absorption. Always consult a healthcare provider before using supplements to ensure safe and appropriate usage. So there you have it, 3 simple, natural, and incredibly nutritious drinks that can boost your health without the need for artificial supplements. Why not give them a try and see the difference for yourself? Remember, the key to a healthy body and glowing skin isn't found in fancy pills, it's in real, whole foods. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and natural remedies.